Hey guys, so this is very random. I don't know if this video will ever get anywhere, but me and my brother, okay, so his bedroom is actually on the first floor. My bedroom is upstairs, and because of the age difference, I just feel like he wanted to redo his bedroom. I thought it was a good idea for us to switch, me come down here, and so I want to document my whole process in decorating, designing, and redoing the whole room because I did it with my other bedroom about 2 years ago and it was a lot of fun. I love interior design, so I figure I should probably document it. And it's like Scrappy knows that we're getting this room. It's crazy. Also, we're getting new floors in here, so don't mind like literally the disgusting carpet, but I'll bring you guys along in the process. I had one of these like wall decals up here and it said every good and perfect gift comes from above, and we had it since he was like a newborn, and I'm trying to like peel the whole thing off right now, and it's literally taking like 20 minutes just to peel it off. All right, so it is now the next day, and here's the dealio. So I actually woke up this morning and me and my girlfriend went to Lowe's and we got paint. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do two walls like this bluish green. I think I'm gonna do the wall behind me and the wall in front of me, which has windows. I'm gonna do those pale bloom, which is basically just white. I got paint stirred, cleaner, new outlet covers, a little push switch because I don't like regular switches, I like the push switches. Frog tape for outlining everything for when I paint. So I'm gonna get started with outlining with tape before I start painting, because I'm either gonna start the painting today or tomorrow. My girlfriend's brother may actually be doing the flooring in a weekend to come. So very exciting, and I think we should do, since it's daylight now, we're gonna do like a little before and after shot of the room. All right, so the room is like, here's our side door, here's our front door, and so this was like technically a den, so I'm gonna get a new door for that. But then this is the room. It's a pretty small space, but it's a cute space. It's a cute space. And so I'm thinking bed here, and then I'm gonna put my desk and a bookshelf there with my TV up there. I just bought a new mirror. I'm gonna put that there, and then yeah, we gotta get the stickers off the window, and I also have to get these off because the screws are stripped. And then closet, and then as you can see, these carpets are like pretty disgusting. There's stains everywhere. But yeah, we'll do a wide angle view of the whole entire room. That way we can do a before and after shot. So I have a cameraman now, and it's my little brother, and he's just recording me do all the hard work while he stands by and watches. You wanna help?
No.
This is probably the most annoying part about painting, and I'm probably doing this very wrong. You should probably be a little more careful than me, but because this room is so small and furniture is going to take up most of it, I'm not as careful. All right. Whoa.
Yes, you don't want that now.
Smooth and soft, not fast.
There.
Coming along, and Anna came over to help me, and Mitchell also helped a lot. I don't know. But anyways, there's a lot of brush strokes, which worries me, but we're probably gonna have to do a second coat. Oh, here comes my mom! Mom reaction! Let's see. You're on camera! What? He did help. Oh, it is now 9 o'clock at night, and here is the progress of the paint. Because me and my girlfriend and my brother have been working nonstop, and so we finally finished the paint. So now what I'm doing is ripping out the carpet because we are getting hardwood floor in here. Probably isn't the right way to do it, but what I do is I just run my razor until it peels, and then I lift it up. All right, ready? Watch this. Here we go. Pretty neat, huh?
What? You guys are crazy. Oh my gosh, this is freaking me out.
All out.
Shut up.
Hey guys, it's been a couple days since I updated you on the room, but today I had my girlfriend's brother come and he did the first day of installation. It's probably gonna take him another day or two because a couple days ago I went and bought the flooring, and once again I'm really bad at this whole thing, I realized, so I didn't document like what floor and stuff, but I'm here to show you all of that now. So here is the progress on the floors. So pretty much all that's left to do is just lay down the laminate, and this is the wood I ended up going with. So it looks pretty cool laid down, but yeah, so this is the progress of the room. And let me get a full room shot. Hey guys, so here's another update on the room. So Jonathan, my girlfriend's brother, has been doing an amazing job, and the floors are actually finished. So I'll show you those. It actually looks really great, so shout out to him. However, this lamp and the electric in our house is giving him an extremely tough time, and it's not his fault. So this is the lamp I got, which I would love to show you with it on. However, we're having electrical issues. So right now I think all I'm gonna do is just set up the bed. We did order the mattress, we didn't buy a mattress, so it's gonna take a little time for it to like pop up and like it needs like rest time. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, set up the bed, put the mattress in here, and then we might just do the rest tomorrow. All right, part I don't even know of this video, I'm dirty. But this right here is my mattress. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. This is my mattress. I'm curious to see what happens when we take this out of the bed. So let's go ahead and cut this out. That's the bottom of it. Bless you. It's coming together. Okay, so the mattress actually, ooh, she's comfy. She's comfy, and I fit. It's our bedroom now. She's on it. So my girlfriend is currently over, and we're emptying my room because we're bringing all the stuff downstairs, and it's weird because it's like been my room for 15 years of my life, and now it's leaving. So we're gonna bring everything downstairs. The lighting is crazy, and yeah, watch us, join us, enjoy.
That's my pimple, everybody. It's really bad. Don't be shy. Put some more. Does it?
You know what this means, Mitchell? No more toys in the living room.
Fine. All right, ready?
Crazy. Holy cow, my room is gone. Guys, I finally, well, I didn't finish it. I had lots of help, but I'm actually really happy with the way it turned out, and it looks really nice and spacious, and I don't know, I'm just really happy with how it turned out. So this isn't the end because the light still isn't working, and I still have to get like curtains and stuff and an outlet cover for that, and
Finished paint.
somewhere for my shoes. It's really sad. So this isn't like a completely finished update, but I just wanted to like show it coming together. Hey guys, what's up? It has been quite a while actually since I've last updated you on the progress of my room, but I wanted everything to be said and done, so I waited until every little last bit of detail was done in this room, and I just shut the door because the dog came out. But I am finally ready to show you the complete transformation of my bedroom, which used to be up over there, I think, yes, and now is downstairs. So it was actually a lot of fun doing this. I love redesigning rooms. My sister actually did hers as well. Let me actually go up and show you guys. Which looks insanely different from what her room used to look like. And then my room, which most of you probably know what it looks like, is actually now my brother's room. And yeah, so I mean, it basically looks the same, just his stuff. He's got these cool little LED lights in here, neat. But now, all right, let's go downstairs for the big reveal. So as you guys just saw, my room is completely done. I'm so excited. I actually really, really love it. But I also just realized I actually did upload some videos before this, so you may have seen just a couple of tidbits of what my room would have looked like. But the reason I didn't upload last Friday was because I was still trying to put together this video. It's a lot of editing for me just because I'm new to the whole editing thing on an iMac. But guys, this was so much fun. I absolutely love interior decorating, and I hope you guys could like see, obviously it was a lot of progress from what it is now to what it was before. So I hope you guys like this video. It was so much fun for me to make and record the process of. One last thing, I have something very exciting coming for me in the mail, kind of, being delivered to me sometime this week or next week. There are going to be so many videos on my channel made about this that it's going to be insane. So you guys are gonna find out very soon what that is, and I can't wait. I'm excited, but thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you like the way this room turned out, give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys next week.